Corsair LC100 case accent lighting panels light up the inside of your PC with the constellation of color, with 9 triangular panels that feature magnetic mounting, allowing for easy and flexible setup in your build. In the box, you'll find 1 master LC100 triangle, 8 companion LC100 triangles, 4mm connection rods, 5.5mm connection rods, and a Lighting Node Pro. To get started, make sure you've powered off your system completely. Now mount the LC100 master triangle on a steel surface inside your case. We'll mount our master triangle to the top of the cable cover in our case as an example. Attach companion triangles by attaching the 4mm or 5.5mm connection rods. The 5.5mm connection rods are used if you wish to have a companion triangle wrap around a corner. Now connect the master triangle's 3-pin RGB connector to your RGB controller, as well as SATA power from your power supply. Don't forget to also connect USB and SATA power for your RGB controller if you haven't already. You can have up to 18 total LC100 triangles powered by up to 2 LC100 master triangles on a single controller. Now turn on your PC and start up Corsair iCUE. Make sure you've updated to the latest version of the iCUE software, as well as the latest firmware version for your RGB controller. In the lighting setup window, you'll be able to rearrange the panels to match the configuration that you've got in your build. Once you've finished with lighting setup, navigate to Lighting Effects and apply any combination of preset, custom, or lighting link effects to your LC100 lighting panels. And that's it! The Corsair LC100 lighting panels let you light up any build with easy installation, allowing for a wide variety of designs and countless lighting effects powered by Corsair iCUE. Thanks for watching!